Hello everyone, let's dive into the MSI Mag PANO 100R PZ White, a mid-tower gaming PC case that's turning heads. Right off the bat, the aesthetics are striking. The white finish gives it a clean, premium look, and the 270-degree panoramic tempered glass is a game-changer. It's not just a case, it's a showcase for your components. One of the most interesting features is the support for back-connect motherboards. This simplifies the building process immensely. No more fumbling around, trying to connect cables after you've already installed your GPU and cooler. It's a thoughtful design that saves time and frustration. The case also has a dedicated space for displaying figurines inside the front of the case, which is a nice touch for those who like to personalize their builds. The 270-degree panoramic tempered glass transforms it into a showcase-style chassis. Cooling is well addressed with support for up to a 360mm radiator for liquid cooling setups. This ensures that even high-performance systems stay cool under pressure. The case also comes with pre-installed ARGB 120mm fans, which not only provide good airflow, but also add a vibrant splash of color. MSI has also included a GPU support stand with a level indicator. This is a great addition, especially with the increasing size and weight of modern graphics cards. It prevents sagging and ensures that your GPU is properly supported. Dust management is also well thought out, with easily accessible filters on the top and bottom of the case. This makes cleaning a breeze and helps to keep your components dust-free, which is essential for optimal performance and longevity. The MSI Mag PANO 100R PZ White is a well-designed case that offers a blend of aesthetics, functionality, and ease of use. It's a great option for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a case that looks as good as it performs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.